Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing the broken stem quickly and safely. Remove the barrel and flight, then shine a light into the shaft to locate the remaining stub. Apply penetrating oil to the joint and let it sit for 5–10 minutes so the adhesive softens. This reduces force needed. Meanwhile, ready long nose pliers and a small hex key or needle file to create purchase. Once done, brace the dart shaft and prepare to extract the stuck fragment carefully and deliberately. Now focus on removal. Grip the remnant with long nose pliers as close to the shaft as possible and rotate gently counterclockwise while pulling straight out. Steady, small motions beat brute force. If you can't get a grip, file a tiny notch or insert a 1/16-inch hex key into the core to hook the piece and lever it out. You can warm the plastic with hot water or a hairdryer to soften adhesive. However, avoid excessive heat, which can warp the barrel or flight. Finish by cleaning the shaft and thread with isopropyl alcohol, removing any plastic shavings and residual glue so the new stem seats properly. Test fit the replacement stem without force first, then secure it using a small amount of thread locker or a single wrap of PTFE tape if threads are loose. Make sure flights align straight. If removal failed earlier, freeze the dart for 10–15 minutes to contract the plastic and try extraction again. That change in temperature often frees stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.